The bus is almost at my stop when my phone vibrates. A message from my boss. We need to talk tomorrow morning, 8 a.m., 1 to 1. Classic. The 8 a.m. special. A message that says absolutely nothing but implies my entire life is over. No context, because why provide peace of mind when you can provide a panic attack? My stomach doesn't just tighten, it performs a full-speed manual override. Why 8 a.m.? That's before the others arrive so no one sees the body time. I replay today. I left at 4:55, 5 minutes early. I've donated hundreds of hours of unpaid overtime to this company, enough to buy a small yacht for the board. But today, I stole 300 seconds. I'm a thief, a digital shoplifter. And now, I'm a dead man. What about the projects? That report on Tuesday? I used the word optimal 3 times in one paragraph. I'm a hack, a fraud. I glossed over the Q4 figures because I assumed no one actually reads them. What if the boss actually has a hobby, and that hobby is reading my mediocre spreadsheets? What if he's sitting there right now highlighting my failures in corporate red? My chest is so tight, I'm basically breathing through a straw. Maybe it's culture. That planning meeting, I disagreed. I thought we were a flat hierarchy where every voice matters. What a beautiful lie. I disagreed with a smile, but in his head, I probably sounded like a revolutionary with a pitchfork. This is about alignment. It's always about alignment. I scroll through my messages. Silence. The terrifying professional silence of a firing squad checking their aim. If I'd actually broken something, there'd be noise. This silence is deliberate. It's an investigation. They're probably auditing my LinkedIn activity as we speak. The bus stops. I walk home, but I'm pretty sure I'm already haunting the sidewalk. At dinner, I'm not eating. I'm performing an autopsy on every conversation I've had since 2022. Was I too confident? Too ambitious? Too present? Maybe they've been tracking my keyboard strokes and realized 40% of my day is spent staring at the wall, questioning the meaning of synergy. 8 a.m. It's the time of day reserved for executions and people who enjoy marathons. It's deliberate. I lie in bed staring at the ceiling, calculating the math of my own extinction. Rent, savings. If I live on air and tap water, I can last 4 months. Maybe I'll start a day in the life of an unemployed failure vlog. I check the phone. 2:13 a.m. The perfect time to update a resume that looks like a cry for help. I should list expert at imagining worst-case scenarios under key skills. I close my eyes and the meeting plays in IMAX, different versions. The "it's not you, it's the economy" version, the "we expected more" version. Every version ends with me carrying a cardboard box past the reception desk. I don't sleep. I just wait for the sun to confirm my suspicions. The alarm goes off. It's an insult. Shower, coffee, my head is a lead weight. The bus ride back is shorter because the universe loves a fast-track disaster. 7:59, 10 minutes. I sit at my desk pretending to be an asset. I'm staring at an email about the office coffee machine like it's a legal brief. 7:59, a stand-up. Deep breath. It's just a meeting. It's just the end of the world. I knock. "Hey, mate, come in." He's smiling, the "I'm about to ruin your life" smile. I sit down and wait for the axe. "Happy you could attend. I just wanted to congratulate you on the work you've done these past couple of months." Silence. Total, absolute silence. That's it? Recognition? A pat on the back? He keeps talking about growth and trust, and I'm just sitting there wondering if I can get a refund on the 8 hours of sleep I traded for this. I nod. I say thank you like a functional human being, but my soul is still back at 2 a.m. calculating the price of canned beans. I walk back to my desk. The panic, the rent, the 4:55 exit, all of it. None of it happened. Seneca was right. We suffer more in our own heads than in the actual office, which is arguably a worse way to live.